Good morning, children. I am Srishti Singh and I am your social studies teacher. In continuation with the previous topic, early humans, I am going to tell you about the discovery of fire. As you all know, the discovery of fire is one of the most important discoveries that is made by the humans. But do you know one thing? Early humans discovered it accidentally. They discovered fire accidentally, and by passing of time they got to know about the uses of fire, that how to burn something or how to control the fire. And after discovering fire they got to know that how to protect themselves from the wild animals. And as they were nomads and they had not any permanent houses, so they used to move from one place to other place, and there must be chances of getting attacked by the animals. So they got to know about how to protect themselves with the help of fire from the animals. Also, they started using this fire in their cooking. They found the cooked food softer and easier to eat. They started roasting the raw meat, the vegetables, and after that they started eating cooked food. After the discovery of fire, the next invention made by the early humans was wheel. As you know, wheel is one of the most important part of human life, as we can cover longer distance in short time with the help of wheel. So this is considered as one of the most important invention in the history of mankind. So the invention of wheel was also took place in old stone age or paleolithic age. The wheel that you see in the present is not as similar as the wheels that were invented in Stone Age. The properties of the wheel that were present in Stone Age is that they were very rough. Their edges were very rough and also they were very uneven in shape. It was not all round, all circle, but the shape of the wheel was very uneven and rough. Now let's talk about the Paleolithic sites present in India. So these sites include Atirampakkam in Tamil Nadu, Hunzgi in Karnataka, and Bhimbetka and Baghor in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the sites that tells us about the Paleolithic period in India. So this was all about Old Stone Age or Paleolithic age. And now I am going to explain the second category, that is the Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic age. And the timeline of this period was 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, before Common Era. This age is further evolution of Old Stone Age. In this age, people started taking care of their animals, they started growing the crops, and in this way they started their growth, their rise. So let's talk about the Mesolithic sites that is present in India. So some of them are in Rajasthan, and some of them are in southern part of Uttar Pradesh, and some northeastern state Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. And the sources that tells us about the Mesolithic people, Mesolithic period, are tools, cave, rock paintings, and burial sites. With the help of these sources we got to know more and more about the people living in Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic age. By the passing of time, the climate became warmer and drier, and the climatic change in Middle Stone Age, it brought changes in animal life and plants life also. The varieties of plants started growing up in that climatic situation. So at that time, the availability of food items increased for the early humans. Okay, they started hunting more, and they started getting more fishes, and they started gathering more food. They started growing up crops and started taking interest in agriculture. They started keeping the pet animals. They started keeping dog as pet animal for their gardening. Some of the people in middle age, they started making their own houses, and some of them still they lived in rock shelters. They also started taking interest in rock paintings and ornament making. So this is all for today. I will tell you more about this period and the new stone age or Neolithic age in tomorrow's video.